Hello Jim, take those new products in from our good friends at Tronsmart. We've got a new speaker here with this portable which can be used outdoors with Ipx7 Waterproof. Featured fabric handle and quick connect. So you've patented sound pulse technology, up to 20 hours playtime, 18 meters transmission distance, port voice assistant, Type C port, true wireless stereo pairing, Ipx7 Waterproof, and industry leading wireless streaming and dual full range driver units. So that looks all pretty good. That's what it looks like there on the box. Typical box from Tronsmart with the orange handle. So let's have a look inside and see what we get. Okay, nothing else in there. So you've got the speaker itself. We'll go back to that now in a sec. So you've got your user manual and your warranty card, and you get two cables, or 3.5mm cable, USB-A, USB-C. So that's all that there. And next up is the speaker. So pretty loud this time around with the branding, with Tronsmart up on front there, matching the buttons on top, which are raised as you can see. A nice handle there, rubber footing on the bottom, and over here we have got a port for putting in our 3.5mm and USB-C for charging up. And it's got a fabric feel to it as well all around, and it's not heavy either, which is nice and looks really neat. So you can hang it, or whatever the case may be, whatever you want to do with it. And that's really about it for the unboxing experience.